Hello, good evening again mga kawalwal. This is Dansville Vlog channel. I'm here again at Asco Supermarket for delivery our fresh chicken. So if you want the fresh chicken mga kawalwal, come here at Depot Supermarket also. At Bin Mahmoud is available here all fresh chicken, whole chicken, drumstick, gizzard, thighs, legs, wings, all parts of chicken also mga kawalwal available here at Depot Bin Mahmoud also. So come here now at Depot Supermarket. All fresh chicken is available here at Depot also, Bin Mahmoud also, and also Falcon Supermarket and Shopwise and all branches of Falcon, Philippine Store, Asco. So here checking for the stock and refill the new fresh chicken delivery, checking for the old stock and replace for the new stock of fresh chicken here at Depot Supermarket mga kawalwal. So I'm here and make vlogging inside the Depot Supermarket for us at Bin Mahmoud. If you want to buy some electronics gadget and watches and all is here also available here, and also here may si Kawalwal Sinda and Kawalwal Ronila is here preparing for all fresh chicken delivery at Depot here. So here, excuse me, preparing for delivery of all fresh chicken and at Depot Supermarket mga kawalwal. So malibot-libot anay kita diri kag i-vlog konti, i-vlog din natin yung mga laman ng mga supermarket ng Depot. Kung gusto niyo mga dry fish mga kawalwal, nandito rin available lahat, pati kalkag na hipon nandito. Kung gusto niyo mga fresh fruits, fresh vegetable, available here at also the Depot Supermarket at Bin Mahmoud branch. Also near the Falcon Supermarket, Asco. Falcon Depot is near walking distance only at Bin Mahmoud mga kawalwal. So enjoy and watch my Dansville Vlog channel. I'm vlogging here inside the Depot. So if you want to buy fresh whole chicken, come to Depot Supermarket located at Bin Mahmoud branch.
Okay, balik sa post siguro. Na?
So come now and Depot Supermarket. Grab it and buy it all. Vegetable, fruits and fresh chicken available here at Depot Supermarket at Bin Mahmoud, including dry fish, all stock, all Filipino stock is here available at Depot Supermarket mga kawalwal. Buligang pa na si kawalwal runing kag si kawalwal Rosinda mga kawalwal. Okay, so by the way, bye, thank you, don't forget to hit the bell and subscribe the Dansville Vlog TV. Thank you, have a nice day and thank you to all. Bye bye.
Return if you want. That's for next time.
The new one?
Yeah, new. And minus return if you want purchase.
So Kawalwal is preparing all my fresh chicken delivery today. Okay, bye-bye. Thank you very much, and don't forget to hit the bell button and subscribe to Dance Bell Vlog channel. Thank you, bye-bye.